Ka artikel la Espanya pue kala long kawe na kimat hakini kisngi ha ki ransen ya lap election ki kertong na ka benta ban kring ya ki nong tap vote ha ki babon ki constituency ha ki atali ki MDC election sha ka yeng darbar ke HADC bat JHADC namar kate ka artikel la Espanya pue e kadang trikam tang ha ka jala Nagaland ka artikel la Espanya pue ji ka bala pentrikam ha ka jala Mizoram bat ka artikel arspa south ar na ka sik shadal bat kate ka artikel kalapan khi bat bu ha ka jinglingo ya ki patba ki bomtip shapang kate ka an bat namar kate ka daw la kala pelong ya ka Sankadev College Shillong ban pelong ya ka jingyathir ya tai ha ka khat saw tarik rampang ar hajar apasan ha auditorium hall jongka college hakane ka jingyathir lawan ban yashim benta daw ba manual bodwar ukertong MDC na ka seng congress na lai umkra malki uba robert june khajarin uba mikmat na ka UDP uba mewan ke lengdo na ka BJP unong ya saj an ba pau khmat ha ka jala uba Erwin Kes Msutnga bat ka Dr. Feni Laling do nong lat kum ki resource person lengba ka tai kelampung yathir halor ka tai kaman ka article bat sik shadal kala yarap bat arjing mentoy shibon ya kisamla puli kibalawan ban sngap bat sha shkor bha
includes special provisions for 11 states. There are 11 states that has been included in under Articles 371, which include 6 of the northeastern states. For instance, Article 371A, because we are specific here only on Article 371A, it is an article that has been inserted in the 13th Constitution. Because the Constitution, it's a very flexible. Our Constitution is the longest Constitution in the world, and our Constitution is not rigid. It is flexible. We can amend as time goes. We can amend. So, in the 13th amendment of this Constitution, this 31A has been inserted. For whom? For the state of Nagaland. Prohibits non-resident from buying land in Nagaland, which may only be bought by tribal residents of the state. Then Article 371 of the Indian Constitution is provisions that grant special provisions to certain states and regions of India. It falls under Part 21 of the Constitution, which deals with them.
Bobon ki pai pa no som som jo gani kasi jentia bat ka jala na khlia ki bro ko wi ka kwa ko yo slow ye ki jupa ka ju ka jingli ka man kom ka bang ye kli mata kalom hato ko sik schedule bat ka article life spark no hui a but art spark life hui g kila benetre la ha ka ju ka tribal area le sikata ko ni bun ko ne hato ki ni ki art ni ki constitutional provision kila ko benetre la ha ka ju ka tribal area to min siap le sing khasi atau mos sik area kata ka ni bun ko la da ni ong kila benetre la ka sik kan ko no hajing yathir de tai la da kimla benetre la ha ka ju ka tribal area kanu ko bakam klan banyada yang kihok to kiru kata ka di jing bat kabalai hato ni kum rilum kim kirilum ke jala na khlia ni don kambo ya kata ke lais pa ni kui e bat lais pa ni kui ji achua bagi ni phai kata ma chua ki bat kan mo ba kata ke lais pa ni kui ko ong begitu ki ai je sarkar India ki bakta ya ka khndo ya ki mar ko khndo ya ka liti ka dustur bat el kom im jo ki ru kanong trikam ha kita ki jaka betrikam ka article lais pa ni kui kecikli menta kalau kami nanglu kata saya berkata atau di kinaga pasal dulu aja ya ni komdu kani kesan berkat kalau ni para noksop senang bagi kami nekomdu house dan kat kedai sepak kapsam nak kata ke Indian Government Act 1950 lalu dipuli ya ke section 1A ke second paragraph hantu ke kerencai omba Governor General of the Council ulah mendeklar dia kena jaka babak buat terang but hawa kendala dep mendeklar dia kata ulah benon penterikam dia borok ki ain jong parlimen but jong ke province hakita ki bak buat terang nekong kami naga section 1A jong ka Indian Independent Act 1915 but nak ni kata lada pipet ya going agreement ya kepala soi hanya nyotarik banai bakandai kan kandai sepaat pemriu masyarakat bila kahaban yo ya kecil menjur na usim juga yang makairin ban pentrikam ya kandai tili ki ai hak jalan hak ta hak lai tili kisnom ya kebagi tip kita kum kimun spal liki ya kini dulu yang ada dikuak kum ingala ai ni cibe namun pinumlah pentrikam kinu ki ai klub kecil menjur nanti kalau banyo kecil menjur hidon kam yang konsen hak tu kopor kisim kini ginong sensat apa dan songsil Hapunyo yang kecil menjur. Nah, lor kata, ialah penekanan di Constitution hari ini berkelihat dia garuk jom Constitution jom India kapoi assignment commission report kat kedai sepak IPO. Lalu pimpin di assignment commission report kat kedai sepak IPO. Dan report kalau si sepak IPO kongkum no batu ai bagi ai jom kesorkan India bagi ai jom profit kimdei berterikam haki backward area. Lalu kita bagi kot ki excluded area and partially excluded area. The government of India Act kat sepak lai pusat kabudai ke temai ke Constitution dari India mentang section kenai kuai ke kenai kuai kong and then kita excluded area bagi partially excluded area bagi section kenai kuai kong bagi ai jom kesorkan India bagi ai sebagai province kingdom terikam haki partially excluded area bagi excluded area. Kita ki belajar hakapor bakasokar pareng essential ya kani kita ngerti pendekam hak essential kadar kamla along is not possible. How can two constitutional provision apply in the same tribal area? It cannot be. Kata kini ki bangi sahab bansutu no play picture history. Kubang kata ka para 12 original para 12 jadi schedule kadai kalai sepak ni kuih. Kei coba pimpin kami Mizoram ni kau hadir bagayo ya kalau syahir hakapor bakadang don kalau syahir kami Mizoram kasna lain tili ki regional council kalai kecak kamara nado bakadang don kalau syahir don pa lain tili ki regional council hadir bagayo ya union territory ki Mizo kita perkat bakal labian dia ki banyada ki bakala ki panno yang lain sepaknya kue ki melasuk memfai seksi dulu ya ki duna juga seksi dulu ke jongi batreka mau meklia kalau ba kawan ke ara kabong ba ki an juga sponsil de tengku ki an juga sorkar jalan ki yeng no ki an juga sorkar jalan hatu kan ni kalau legally if tested in the court of law. Kumno in one hand ki op bashim ye ki board of insaan an hand ki op badatul ko kate kan terikam. I imagine if anyone challenge Article 12A in the court of law, how will the court give the judgment? It will be a very interesting thing. Now tak tahu habang ini keren ni ini. Ba ladangi pais history nila ko kinomla terikam. But habang kimla terikam nila ladangi habang jit kawai. Kumbang iong mene, kalai sepak ane kuai kene tang kawai ke paragraf jeng kesing sidul, kumdo pinong baka klaim kata, kemudian tang kawai ke paragraf, banyak kemudian apa tadi ke paragraf. Kesing sidul dan apa tadi ke paragraf, kalau mini constitution within itself, but onita kalau mini constitution, kalau comprehensive, banyak ada yang tribal, kata ke artikel lai sepak ane kuai kamlong kita. Nah terkadang the need batong kata kajian keren ya kalai sepak kuai apa kajalan nuclear kejongi dasar arise acaka bangin depan ya kita kabai ke bangin depan kita kalau milik pai dia bisa tu original secidul ke bangin yo protection under peraturan di tang bangong ke kamat ke kepala dengan keren dan kita tang yo berbatang pai ini kirung hamno hak konsen menteri dia nikong du kirung Hakani ke konsep tu dia Muslim kat kedai sepak sangko bala adok ka karung misong du lalu pipet hakapara 5 jong ke 5th schedule hakapara 5 jong ke schedule kongkum no kong governor ulah benon penterikap ya kino ki an jong ke sokat India haki schedule dia Om dei kata Kata ka benta ka bawa bagi anjo ke Sarkar India, bagi anjo ke Sarkar Zalakim terikam hagi tribal area, lalu ka parakat art jo position. Lalu puli ka parakat art kabadam dan habu benta ka jala asam. Kong kanu ka anjo ke Sarkar Zala kadom terikam hagi tribal area, lalu ka terikam ru pila penbet yaki kedum kajing yahap juga tu kajaka lani pila ban penkala melumala lani modify ka katkum kajing adei juga tu area badom dei taka parkhatan haka parkhat arbi ko governor ula unum petrika bi kino ki anjo ka parliament hak tribal area kam dei taka custom kam dei taka land and resources kam dei taka religious any law of the parliament the governor ngan chupuli ni mau ya ka parkhat ar Clause B, the governor may by notification direct that any act of the parliament or the state legislature of the state which may provide by the provision of this paragraph shall not apply or shall apply to an almost council or shall apply to such district or any part thereof subject to such exemption, modification as he may specify in the notification. The governor mean what? Mean the state government. Kabumut, even if the government of India pass the CAA, the state government can simply say, we will not implement it. Kata, kadai kethamai, jom kadai kebagi keren, baru si kata. Kadai keren don, hak agiti penyet kam, jom kadai India kita. Gitu kiba, kiperlok kijogi kibong, baka artikel lais pak jo kuwei, kumno kadon. Hapo nagalan. Pitip dem ya kecil sisa. Baka nagalan kadon arbon ta. Kadon naga hills. Baka nagal tribal area. Ya kebagi orang ke Eastern nagalan benta. Hakastin hapor bala penterikam nikom du ya kesik schedule. Lani lawan rak nikom du ya kesik schedule. Kanaga hill baka naga tribal area ka hapor ya kesik schedule. Tamba nama bagi naga kimla ban blik pediam. Ya kata belum bagi negara kehap apa aja ke Assam lalu kehap lagi India umsyamallah dan stand up ya kiri semua. Tapi initially Naga Hill and Naga tribal area fall under Schedule. Pet ya original Schedule nado plus nak kalau kita. Hadin kata apa? Kidon kitu kian agency awal ke 16 point of agreement anda lawan ke 16 point of agreement kisah shim ya kini ki benta aja ke Schedule kisah tho hakalai spak ni kuwe kamdei ko kalai spak ni kuwe ga mi la job em ki shim na ke Schedule ki tho hakalai spak ni kuwe la ki puli the entire life spak ni kuwe pir su tho ba blame ni ge jo dir haba ka dei ge jo kumno pitho actually the constitutional provision hanga juk ke tribal area, it cannot be. Kamla berlong lalu dia. Lalu vision the constitution bukan novel book, banyak tu kenapa ini sebenarnya bagi saya di negara. Kira orang banyak dai dari kita diskur, banyak dai filosof, banyak dai kerana secara besar. Anda ke itu saja. Apa union just sebenarnya dipun kini mat pada unga banti uluyong bakwa klep aku sekiman keren dia mau saya makai ke control atomic energy and its minerals uranium. Hamne haji siapa ni politik parti kita ni KBBB orang Indonesia anti uranium. Handrai entry 6 Hapo ke union list number 7 Schedule kalau beli lupa kejikan lada kiban rakyat Kristen Tuhan. Nama ke constitutional processing awal. What does the constitutional process say? It states that any subject within the powers of Parliament, once you have Article 371, then the union list will override the state list, will override the continent list. The beauty about the 6th Schedule is the Supreme Court in Regional Provident Fund Commission versus Shillong City Bus Syndicate from us, from here, it has given a clear ruling that the space occupied by Para 3, land,
custom, appointment and succession of chiefs and headmen, marriage and divorce, administration of villages, administration of towns, agriculture, June, agriculture, all these are sacrosanct. Even Parliament cannot pass any acts on this subject. The state government cannot pass any resolution, any motion on this, or pass any acts on the subjects within Para 3. Now we have a naked provision, real quick. We have a provision which is protected even by the Supreme Court. Here is where I agree with Barabat. The provisions of Para 12A, saying that the provisions of any act passed by the state government will override the acts of the district council. This ruling by the Supreme Court has already rendered it null and void. The only thing required for us is to amend the 6th schedule under the proposed amendment of 125th amendment, which is going to come. Uranium has become a very big issue. Now, if you bring in Article 371, like has happened in Nagaland, with regards to oil, because Nagaland is an oil-rich state, I'll tell you that due to this controversy, due to this constitutional lacuna, India. What has happened? The central government says N353 relating to oil exploration and use of the oil, N354 relating to coal and other minerals. And now, if there was uranium in Nagaland or Mizoram, they would have said under N33. The government of India owns this. Are we willing to risk this? Nidre ban surrender with the hope kitongi, kibadang po schedule, ban play with the central government. This is the question. Now, Forrest, somebody asked me a question when they saw my interview. Why NGT passed the timber ban? NGT passed the timber ban because of the Forest Conservation Act, which falls under the concurrence. And by the play of Article 254, where when the acts of the state government and the acts of the central government they conflict, then the acts of the central government will prevail. But we have a mechanism in the 6th schedule, Para 12AB, which says that the president shall decide whether a central act shall apply or not apply, with such exceptions or modifications. But here there is also a ruling, the same ruling. The Supreme Court has said all acts of Parliament apply unless the district council and the state government say it will not apply. That is why, Takadao, PJ you elect your representative. First, you elect somebody who knows our tradition, who knows our custom. That means he supports the matrilineal society. That is the first and foremost. Tonight when you go, I want to hear you say this. Number two, he has to understand the situation. The intricate constitutional machinery that is there in the situation. He has to understand that Para 3, when you become an FDC, Para 3 gives you a huge power, but don't misuse it. Don't misuse it. Because right now, the protagonists of the 6th schedule say, 6th schedule, they're misusing funds, they don't have enough funds, FDCs do not have power. With the 125th amendment, you'll have more powers than even MLAs. Because nobody can touch the provisions of the 6th schedule and the Para 3. The state government, neither the state government nor Parliament can have a say in this. And on your shoulder, my young brother, falls the responsibility to safeguard our future. And we safeguard it not by going to the street and shouting and making people mad. We safeguard it by knowing the law, by knowing the constitutional provisions, and above all, love the poor, fight for their rights, because we have to open our mouths to speak. We have to defend the poor and needy. This is what has been put in Marcus Haji Syaku Bawa Iba Robert Menen, the subject of an artillery thesis. But it has been, the responsibility has been placed on us to make the best synthesis of the antithesis and the thesis. Nothing beyond that. Anyway, it's also nice that I get the opportunity to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. And seeing you here, it shows that your love for knowledge and the truth supersedes the interest of your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your wife. Thank you very much. The issue of Article 371 has become a public issue in this election due to the fact that the Voice of the People's Party has made it one of the key springboards to power. Nagadaw ang BPP kapalong yaga jingatir yaga Article 371 mag-sexual kung karansan yaga election di Jakiban yo ay babor di kami isu siya hoy manswa hagapor mga nakala when I was young. I also thought, because I liked the way the Nagas defended their freedom, the Mizos defended their freedom. So I also thought that Article 371 was in fact something sent by God to us. That is not the truth. As Chief Justice of India, Dr. Hidayatullah, he said that the sixth schedule is a mini constitution. But hakta bengilap ba hakjin keren Dr. Chief Justice Hidayatullah bengilap ba kernet ke bendri kadai ke bersaindur kabar penwandur kampang dan yadai yaki hok ki jogi ki riulu ki basa ki private areas manual don't mind me lecturing you. Scheduled area means under the fifth schedule. Under the sixth schedule, it is the private areas as defined by Para 20. It is not scheduled area. It is the tribal areas. Now, the tribal areas, in fact, under Para 3, you see, I prepared 2 long papers, but I will not read them. You will please give me your, please send your phone number to me, and I will send all these to you, and you can digest them. My phone number is 8131-919942. Please send the number which you have on WhatsApp. I'll send everything to you. Right now, I'll make it short and sweet, but not over sweet. You see, the basic problem with Article 371, which is the Article 3 that lies on the way. Kadai kemenun kuit. It is a negative provision within the Constitution. Why? At the time when the Nagas signed the 16 point.
Kati jisutu budget joma nga pamabulong iba manbor kung parlok kung men piyoy nga emadot sa kontent. Oh, pamanbor na ano mo ini ipidram lang lalo kung men la jom. Hindi ba kapag malong men pagdigi malong lang ko no. Baik pamanbor berbuat ini saya terus saya menjemput kembut. But ketika kanong lemah padang pada hijatkan sepam ki provisions jong kaan kamtam jong constitution midang kam manithir pada menjemput kambun. Namun batang dah gile entah kanang kiu ta ke inang salang kanang kiu ta jing sotu khamnya yaki an ke bengidon kam ngam dia kalau specialist atau itu kena IP nama ngai pas MBA hangi ke the panelists you need to follow the lawyer look. Tambalong ijing sutu jo ngas pangga article 371. Kat ihita I budget mo. Nga sumutna bahaj ngong jo Donald Trump should at the end of the day it's all about common sense. Common basic common sense. Por pengiyo ada 6 schedule. Haus nem katandai sampuar. Kadai bekas sorkat India hi kayui yang kata kibaran hamtam hani hanor is bah karukom jongki kapher bak lebak karukom jongki pan mainland India kadati kadustul kapher kasinshar khadar kapher hamtam ni Meghalaya karukom pek ka an kapher ka judiciary masyu Allah pataka katar kapher bang tabak mani compare bachaway na ita iman iba kayo kasnova ke India bro kaway ke Union of States meaning kindan lalai iru kontre kam jong lajong but sapni ya kata ka 6 schedule lu bante lakam ban ayat itu kirit pan kepada nani nobis bagi dia ita itu sto lajong but ban sanchar khadar jong lajong kata the true essence of why the 6th schedule was even conceived. Suki dan kumbah news part like hopefully he recognized tribes kami India. Por besnai the 6th schedule kumong ibang kajarin mene ngaruh shimini constitution. I think all political science students should have this. Ngarang nyo kita ki Islam di badan kasih schedule kita lalu aku arslah pisutu lalu nyo untuk slide dengan aku arslah means quite heavy lalu ngapet pat kita ki provisions jong ki article 371 A B C D kata kadang tak puma sisi pada grafik badan to be nice which one is heavier in terms of the provisions badan hapoka kita ki provisions mo so the way the article 371 talong kaba nada ki tribals nawe ki jaka ki pan bagi ki kwa panyo kata kasenchar kada belum presentation of this kung balong ta Meghalaya kesuka kama pamaya borokhai tekan ongen Kemudian Allah penangkap di artikel 371. Hendai orang ini pidam kami his state jopi. Kadang-kadang orang ibak mana kalau orang too proud, they didn't want to be a part. Mak ibak benda nampak asam tak video no. Hendai kibi state part kumpi Andhra Pradesh, Sikkim, Goa, Karnataka. Kat bagi pan kiom ai artikel 371 tambah orang pidam kami pikwa syafang Kerti kedustur, fikwa asma religion, fikwa asma mani. It's a process of opinion. Ni orang you article 371 you look. Tak ada bisadan mo masyaallah article 371 A ada dalam taulalan. B Assam, C Manipur, D Andhra Pradesh, E Sikkim, F Sikkim yang mabala divided into 2, Mizoram G Susoam. Tikipan ke man state. But it is pensutu tu nak kalau very nice because Bangladesh kan kaki lawyer, they kalau orang constitution for dummies. Kalau nak kita ni kita ki the obviously ka pass to the act of parliament it's a yo apne tu ka an. Tapi orang ni yang jujur ini pada article 371 ka 6th schedule there's a huge difference. Lalu pipet kumong isam ni ka article 371 kalau benar berarti yang we state nama apa? Itu state kem cover the geography berapa? Apa misalnya? Kasih schedule cover ni Chakma, Hilai, Barki, Mara. Kibadai tak bisa South Mizoram. Kami Mizoram kibadai bahkan dan tak kawai kerana population. Itu isi schedule ni dan tak ni Jakarta. I'll say 30% of the entire geography. Tikibizo kita kan masih kimio, kemudian bayi pak Israel mana pantunan artikel 371 kita itu apa? Kita itu panel 6 schedule. Assam ke 6 schedule area, kemudian Allah kata area ada schedule area, kita tanggi ay, tang bodoh, bukan bi show iwi tribe lu mungkin missing ke, tika Assam kamu apa na 6 schedule itu bodoh hay. Kesorkan kamu nomor 6 schedule agak too comprehensive kalau I buat apa? Tiga orang ada di ni artikel. Tentang di dalam state tiba exist lah macam ni kita. Ini kami hanya satu kanai di bapia tidur di 97% of our geography is already under scheduled area. Dan part artikel 671 saya ikut. Long it doesn't make sense that along counterproductive no macam no. Ni sebenarnya artikel 671 if at all. Kalau applicable not tanya ka, please datang. Maybe. So tu tiba syukran mendung songsit pat sesulok sesingkian kran yang berjumur kran yang tanya kambnya. Kalau ngebatian yang menong ya constitution ni kan. Namar sisian berpikir ke constitution, berpikir nak boleh besok. Bersisian berpisah ni ni. Kamtam bagi dalam sarkar ke berper. Kadang ki sarkar Balong Sarkar Pedang ni Kemenha, kumo balong tentang Sarkar Pedang ni ke Kemenha bandai lu di atas power, kebangi kum kita ki tribal area hang ni niyo. Tang tahi Indian dan Muslim from the Poor Travel Press Gabel and Put no. Sesibik saya keren second no. Thank you so